Racing just is started with Princess Cat. Break quickly at the start. Mohicap Lady down on the inside at one. Then comes entry number 3, Premier Affair. In the middle portion is Rampire Fighter, while Miss Magic Land is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Rampire Fighter by about 2 lengths. Mohicap Lady in second. Down on the inside is Premier Affair, 2 lengths further back in fourth comes Princess Cat. Adwana comes next, while Miss Magic Land still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Rampire Fighter by about half length, and on the outside second is Premier Affair. 3 lengths further back in third comes Mohicap Lady. Adwana to take fourth, and on the outside is Princess Cat. In the middle portion is Miss Magic Land. Out of the fourth turn, we have Rampire Fighter about to throw the challenge now. On the outside is Premier Affair. We have Premier Affair now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Rampire Fighter, Mohicap Lady, Aduana in the middle portion as they swing for home. We have Premier Affair by a length and a half. Aduana is down on the inside. Mohicap Lady on the outside. Last 75 meters, we have Premier Affair this time by about 3 lengths, and finally Premier Affair, Aduana, Mohicap Lady, Rampire Fighter, Miss Magic Land, and Princess Cat.
Nakita mo naman siguro, Coach, yung salida ng dos, no?
Yes.
Pero medyo